Maintaining a house roof comes with a checklist of choices and items. Parts of being a homeowner is making sure your roof is up to date and safe to live in. A roof can be worn after years of exposure to different elements such as heat and weather. At this rate, you'll be needing a roofing expert to inspect and look at every inch of your roof. To make sure there is no missing shingles, hole, rot, and even clogged gutters. And when this happens, an alternative solution to replacing the entire roof is roof restoration. If you're still not aware of what is roof restoration, here is a quick definition of it. Roof restoration is the process of giving your roof a facelift by cleaning, recoating, and restoring existing roof materials. Roof restoration may be the best choice for your roof instead of replacing it entirely. But restoring your roof will depend on the damage and problem of the roof. That is why it is important to let professionals do an inspection before deciding on roof restoration.